Hello, Peter here, your Pinoy accountant. So in today's video, I will show you how to file zero sales sa inyong percentage tax return. So again, yung second quarter percentage tax return natin is deadline is July 25 na. So if hindi pa kayo nakapag-file, mag-file na kayo today. So let's start. So i-open niyo ang inyong EBAR form and then as usual, i-fill out yung inyong TIN and the other details as indicated doon sa inyong certificate of registration. So, dito na tayo sa list of BIR forms. So, iselect nyo yung 2551Q version 2018. Ayan. And then, click nyo yung fill up. Then, okay. So, hintayin natin mag-load. So, ayan, once nag-load na yung ating, the form itself, the 2551Q or the quarterly percentage tax return, let's fill out na the form. So, number one, of course, we are using the calendar year. So, mga companies lang or corporations are using fiscal year. So, sa ating mga individual taxpayer, automatic yan, calendar tayo. And for the year ended, 2025, so double check ninyo yung iba kasi nating mga taxpayers is 2024 yung nakalagay dyan. So, i-double check talaga ninyo yan. And number 3 is we are filing the second quarter again. Yung coverage niyan is April, May, and June. Yung mga months covered ng inyong second quarter na percentage tax return. So, number 4, amend the return. That is a no. And number of sheets, if may mga attachments kayo. But in most cases, pwedeng 0 lang talaga ilagay dyan. And then number 6 is your 10. So, i-double check nyo lang yung mga kailangan natin i-fill out. Number 7, yan, may mga details naman. Number 8, taxpayer's name. Number 9, registered address. And zip code, ayan, kompleto na. Contact number and email. So, dito na tayo sa number 12. Are you availing of tax relief under special law? So, in most cases, no yan. And number 12A, leave it blank because no yung ating options sa number 12. And number 13, ayan. So, if this is your second quarter na of filing this year, hindi nyo na kailangan pumili dito whether graduated income tax rate kayo or mag-8% because applicable lang yan dun sa inyong first time kayong nag-file or sa first quarterly percentage tax return ninyo. So, may video din tayo niyan. In our previous video, we talked in detail kung ano ba ito pipiliin ninyo, the graduated ba or the 8%. So, pwede nyong i-check yung ating previous video. So, ayan, number 14. So, wala pa tayong amount dito. So, we need to fill out yung page 2. So, let's proceed to the page 2. Ayan. So, dito sa ATC, ganun pa din. In most cases, if non-VAT kayo, and you are required to file itong 2551Q, dito tayo sa PT010, the first one, and the 3% yung tax rate. So, yung iba din naguguluhan dito. May PT010 din kasi dito yung 1% pa to, but hindi na to applicable for this year. That was for ano lang yan, nung time na binaba nila yung percentage tax to 1%. So, currently, yung percentage tax natin ngayon is 3%. So, ayan. So, yung taxable amount. So, to file yung zero sales ninyo, so, ito lang yung kailangan nyo gawin. Sa taxable amount, 0 lang yung ilalagay ninyo. So, after nun, ayan, save ninyo. And then, you can go back to the page 1. So, makita nyo dito, 0 yung ating tax due. And then, again, dito sa 2307, if may mga clients kayo, government or mga GOCCs, ayan, we also discussed that in our previous video. Yan lang yung 2307 na pwedeng gamitin nyo. Otherwise, yung normal na 2307 natin, hindi nyo pwedeng gamitin sa percentage tax. So, that is 0. 16, ayan, this is not an amended return. Number 17, other tax credits or payments, 0. So, penalties, wala pa tayong penalties because we are still within yung prescribed period to file and pay. So, hindi pa deadline. So, after deadline yan, kailangan nyo na talaga pumunta sa inyong RDO so that makukomputan kayo ng inyong penalties. So, ayan, ganun lang, kabilis. And we'll validate. Ayan, validation successful. And then, after that, pwede nyong i-print. Kailangan nyong i-print so that may copy kayo sa inyong file. And then, submit ninyo. Ayan. Are you sure you want to submit? I-okay ninyo. And then, after that, may terms of agreement pa, i-okay or i-yes ninyo. And then after which, magpo-prompt na successful na yung submission ninyo. And then you will receive an email, the income tax return receipt confirmation of your 2551Q sa inyong email. So, i-check nyo and then pwede nyo ding i-print yan so that you will have a copy of your proof of filing. So, after that, if wala nang pala tayong tax due, no? If may mga tax due kayo, you can use online MyEG or Maya. So, may video din tayo dyan. So, in our example for today, zero filing tayo. Ibig sabihin, zero yung sales natin and zero yung ating quarterly percentage tax. So, yun lang yung video natin for today. My name is Peter, your Pinoy accountant. And if you have mga questions, comment down below. And then yung ating website, pinoyaccountant.com. And if you would want to donate, yun, just go to pinoyaccountant.com/donate. And yun, appreciate ko yung mga comments niyo. And sa mga hindi ko pa nasasagot ng mga comments, ayan, hintay lang kayo. Konting patience lang. And yun, sasagutin ko isa-isa. And again, thank you for watching our video. And I'll see you in the next one.